Stealing over $7,000 in merchandise and arguing they never left the store? How did this retail theft ring trigger a major legal trap? On June 24, 2023, three women walked into a Kohl's store in Caldwell County, Florida, and walked out facing severe felony charges. Remarkably, one of the suspects had been placed on probation for a prior grand theft conviction exactly 2 days prior.
Where's the other one? You got her? Where'd she go? Oh, there she is. I call 911. I can't. Oh, okay. Thank you. I'm gonna head back in the store, sir. They got her. Bro, they got the other one down back. Yeah. My body cam and run away with it again, I'll whoop your ass. You understand me? Where'd her bag go? I didn't want it to get lost. It's with the other officer. I didn't want it to get lost, dude. I'm sorry.
Wait, why did he grab your... What the fuck?
Get your ass over there before I yell at you. Do that shit again to me. For the last time you work here.
He grabbed your body down?
It fell on the ground. They decided to take it with him.
Why would he do that?
No kidding.
What the f...
So it's no surprise why we're out here. Listen, it's all on video inside. I'm going to be straight up with you. I don't like gray. I'm black and white with people. Everything you guys were doing inside was on video camera.
But we didn't walk out with nothing.
I know, but you guys were putting all suitcases and bags, and it's still in the statute it reads you can't temporarily deprive somebody of their property. You guys concealing this. You're still temporarily depriving somebody.
No, I didn't conceal nothing. It was in a shopping thing.
Okay.
Shopping bag.
All right.
I didn't put nowhere.
All right. Which car out here is your guys'?
Huh?
Which car out here is your guys'?
We didn't have a car. We lived here.
Okay, how did you guys get here?
We lived here.
You what do you mean, like an Uber, like a Lyft?
Yeah, Uber.
All right, whose phone did you use to do that?
Mine.
Mine? Yours?
Yeah.
All right. Is it more comfortable to stand up, or?
No, I'm straight.
All right.
I don't feel like they can take me to jail because I didn't steal.
Okay.
I'll put it in the shopping thing. I swear to God on my kids.
Okay. It's an awful time for you guys to do this. It's raining out here. We don't get wet.
Oh, I'm on the phone.
You want to stand up? Is that easier?
Yeah.
Is that easier?
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I do got a history, but
That's
I
cool.
don't have no warrants or nothing.
Alright. Where are you working at?
Huh?
You working somewhere right now?
Yeah, I do hair.
Where do you work at?
I do hair. I don't work.
Oh, you do hair?
Yeah.
Man, that's... God, why you get here doing this shit, though? Too young to be doing this stuff, man. 217 copy one. You use your license out of Florida or somewhere else?
It's in Florida.
It's in Florida.
I can't go to jail, bro. That was flying.
I also know why you tried to run away, like...
You need me for something?
Nope, you're good.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Because I didn't have like, why is I getting detained if I didn't walk out the store with nothing?
Yeah, but you let me have a second to discuss it with you, tell you, and you're on your way, right? But now I'm telling you right now, that's probably going to be a charge right there. You're just trying to run. You have an all black one? Which purse is yours? All black with like gold?
Black. No. All black. It was a purse on the floor.
Temple, like an all black one, right? Well, who was that, your cousin or your friend?
That was my cousin.
Did she have a purse with her too or no?
No, I don't think so.
Alright.
I just don't want to go to jail. I just take
Come over this way. We got another water there, buddy.
Yeah, it's just 2 bags.
All right. Yeah, we're gonna have a good conversation with that LP. See my body cam hit the ground right there, right in front of my car. I grabbed her. I go to go pick it up, and he took it with him. He was running with it.
You wanna put it in the car?
Yes.
Throw it everything in?
Yeah. So we're gonna go around to the other side, the passenger side. All right. Come on. Let's not get wet. Come on. You don't want to spend the whole day in wet clothes when you're. I don't want to spend the whole day in wet clothes either.
Take that off. Have a seat in the corner. How'd you get here?
With them down here.
Where's your car?
That's it.
Where's the car?
It's down there.
What kind of car is it?
Oh, it's a black car. I don't know.
It's a black car?
Yeah, I just got in.
SUV? You just got in it?
Yeah, I just got in. I just got picked up.
You don't know these guys?
Yeah, I know them.
Okay.
They're my cousin. I just got
Oh, they're their cousins, so you know what they drive.
It's the car down.
What car? There's 90 cars. Which one?
You want me to show it to you?
Just point it out.
It's that black car. Right.
Which one? The one that were in the handicap spot?
Yeah, body handicap.
Huh?
Body handicap.
Is it a Kia?
No, it's not a Kia.
Or is it an SUV behind it?
It's like, I don't know. It's over there.
I believe so. 214, you have yours? CI1, she's pointing out a black car by the handicap on the left by PetSmart, either the SUV or the Kia as their vehicle. 2 rows to your right, 2 rows to your right. Was it an SUV or a car?
It's a car. I don't want to judge, thank you. Right?
Yep.
For what?
Retail theft.
What I stole them.
Well, probably the purse for one.
Huh?
Probably the purse for one.
I walked in there with that
You
purse.
didn't bring that in.
Yes, I did. You can watch the cameras. I walked in there with that purse.
You got nothing in it. No ID.
Okay.
Why?
I walked in there.
Why
with
did
that
you bring a
purse.
purse in there?
That's my purse.
Why did you bring a purse? It's empty.
It's nothing in that purse.
I know. Why'd you bring a purse in?
Because I could bring a purse in.
Because you're stealing stuff with
I
it.
ain't never put nothing in the purse.
That's okay. You're
Okay, it don't matter,
you're all
that's
together.
stealing.
You're all
okay,
together.
they didn't even get nothing. So what's the problem?
Oh, really?
No.
You sure about that?
Yeah,
Okay.
I seen them when they walked out.
Uh-huh.
They ain't never got nothing.
That's okay. Don't worry. I guess you don't know the law too much. Once you start hiding stuff throughout the store, it's called stealing. And it's all on camera. So, it's good. What? Hey, you didn't touch anything in the store? Nothing? Find that hard to believe.
He didn't even touch me. The man he ran up and up to.
Mm-hmm. How did I know to stop you?
Oh, because he said stop me too.
Who?
The man that when I was walking out the door, he was right there.
10-4. You said for grand theft?
The core legal dispute isn't whether they took the items, but where the boundary of retail theft is legally drawn inside the store. When stopped outside, the subjects repeatedly claimed their arrest was unlawful because they hadn't walked past the exit doors. Under Florida Statute 812-2015, retail theft is fully consummated the moment merchandise is concealed inside a store with intent to deprive. The exit door is not a legal finish line, and carrying empty purses into a store to stuff merchandise inside demonstrates active intent. With over $7,000 in recovered merchandise, Florida Statute 812.014 automatically elevates the offense to felony grand theft. Furthermore, multiple subjects pooling merchandise and coordinating an exit strategy triggers the organized retail theft enhancement under subsection 8. Under Terry v. Ohio and Florida Statute 901.151, officers maintained lawful authority to conduct an outdoor investigative detention.
You're on probation?
Mm-hmm.
How long you on probation for?
Mm-hmm.
You don't know? Well, it's grand theft, so did you get a year, 2 years? 5 years?
I don't know.
You just got on it 2 days ago. You don't remember how long you're on probation for?
No, not really.
Okay. Yeah. Nothing in it. It's empty. No ID. She's huh? It's all inside still. Well, that's what I'm trying to find out. But he needs to come out and talk to us. So I had him call and have him come out here. Hey, she just went on probation 2 days ago for grand theft.
So can you arrest me and put me in the car?
Huh?
Can you arrest me and put me in the car?
No, I'll detain you. They just stand right there. Why? You getting wet?
No, it's pointless to standing up and don't take me to jail. Ain't he repairs all extras or nothing?
Doesn't matter, hon. You still don't know the law.
I know the law is.
Apparently not.
You gonna take me to jail for grand theft or what?
Yep. As soon as they total it all up, and you're gonna get a VOP.
Oh, that's fine, but I still ain't do that.
Yeah. Okay. You're here.
Huh?
Shop down in Lee County. Don't shop up here.
Okay.
We don't want you stealing it from here. Steal down there. Stay down there and steal if you're gonna steal. You are a thief. You already been convicted as a thief.
Okay, it don't matter.
It does matter. Okie dokie.
I walked in there with that purse. You're trying to say I stole the purse.
I just asked you a question.
Okay.
It's kind of odd that a woman walks around with an empty purse.
What the hell?
No, nobody does. No, only thieves walk around with empty purses because they stuff stuff in it. You know, that's easy deduction. 100 women, 100 things in a purse. You, nothing. Except paper. You don't even have ID. Got anything on you? No. Knives, drugs, guns, anything? A chance to get like that?
Ooh.
205 Central. Miss Davis in custody. Turn this way.
It's the whole friggin' group. So
yeah. So we haven't found the car yet. No. Because the girl that she pointed out was the black car, but you said it was a.
It was an older white female. I watched her get out and go into.
Yeah. Petco.
And then PetSmart. She came back out and got in there.
Okay.
So the girl that I took, she's saying that they came here in a lift. And I'm like, whose phone did you order the lift on? Well, mine. I'm like, okay, well maybe you want to pull up your phone and see.
Here, we're taking all our phones out.
Yeah, so I have her phone.
Here. Yeah. I took her phone because she was starting to text. This kid, KD, in Champagne.
That's all right.
That's her phone.
All right. So please give me your total. Yeah, I told him that we need to get pictures and stuff before we start tolling, so if we have something.
Yeah, I can handle that. I can.
And then,
It's mine.
No, I can do it. But you're gonna take you and Booker go to District 2 with them.
Okay.
Yeah. So Baltimore can do his interviews if they wanna. She's just like take me to jail, and mine won't happen. And she's a VOP.
There's three. How do you want us to split them up?
well, one wants to go to jail anyways. She's not wanting to talk at all.
She goes.
She asked for a lawyer.
No, she's like because when she just put me in and you're gonna take me to jail, just put me in handcuffs and put me in a car and let's go. So, no, she didn't ask for a lawyer.
All right, well, that's good.
Yeah. No. But her, when you take her, it's on. She's a VOP. Also, she just went on probation 2 days and she doesn't know how long she's on probation for.
She doesn't know?
No. And she knows the law. She says she didn't steal anything and she didn't go past 1 point to sell.
Oh, actually, she did.
I don't know.
Did she have her purse out there too? The brown one that was brand new?
Yeah, she said she brought that in and it's on the camera you can see. So she stole it from someplace else. But it's empty.
Right.
So, and I told her,
They
I
all
said,
work. So I was talking to him. He said they all work together, brought all the stuff to one spot, put it in the bags, and then walked out. Not all of them made it all the way out. It doesn't matter. One of them made it out, and then turned around and saw law enforcement.
who'd she say, you? She must just,
I never saw anyone come out from my side, and I had a pretty good open view. I was parked behind a truck.
yeah, and I was down that way. So if they came out those doors, I don't know who they seen.
Oh, because I was freaking hauling. You said
Yeah.
you had one in custody. I started sped up. So
Well, because she started running.
yeah,
Both girls that I had both started running.
Yeah, well-
they both split up. I grabbed one, threw her down, and then the other one took off. I couldn't catch her.
so
Right.
we have one that's still.
No, we caught all three.
Under Florida Statute 948-06, committing a new felony offense just 48 hours into probation initiates an immediate probation violation proceeding. Throughout the detention in the rain, the suspects repeatedly offered spontaneous, unprompted admissions that sealed their evidentiary profile. Under Miranda v. Arizona standards, unprompted voluntary disclosures made without custodial interrogation are fully admissible evidence in court. The critical lesson? Concealment inside a store seals the theft, and committing crimes on probation guarantees a fast track back to prison. What are your thoughts on this $7,000 organized retail intercept and the officer's handling of the stop? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our second channel for more police interactions and deep legal breakdowns every week.